Thunderstorms are storms with thunder and lightning. These loud storms have rain and strong wind. Hail sometimes falls. A very severe thunderstorm may cause tornadoes. How do they form? Thunderstorms start high in Earth's atmosphere. Cool air high in the sky sinks. Warmer air closer to ground rises. As cool and warm air meet, large rain clouds called thunderheads start to form. What happens next? Thunderheads float alone or join with other storm clouds. They join in bunches or side by side in a line. Rain comes down in a sudden burst. Thunderstorms bring thunder and lightning. Are they harmful? Thunderstorms with very strong wind blow down trees and branches. Hail dents cars and kills crops. Lightning can start fires. A lot of rain falling in a short time can cause floods. Staying safe. Lightning is dangerous. Stay inside during thunderstorms if you can. Never stand under a tree. Don't take a bath or shower. If you are in the car, stay where you are.